Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart an AR-22. Of course, I'm just going to be doing the upper part right here. Uh, so yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, by the way, this is a red dot and green dot scope. So I'll show you guys that later. There's a magazine. This is not, and this is a educational video to kind of teach you most things about this gun. Well, basically just how to take it apart. So, yeah. But actually, this is around the same size as a real AR-22. So, yeah. So let's get into it. Now, it's hard for me to get the pins all the way out with just my hands. So, there's a pin here, then a pin here. Don't know if you can... Yeah. There, and there. So I take this, which is a cap to a pin. I do that. There we go. Just gonna set this to the side. Now, this right here, and this, you take this slides right out. Then you can, now the spring, you need to be careful with that, because if that shoots off, yeah, you're gonna have a hard time finding it. Especially if your room is as messy as mine. There we go. There's a spring. There's rod. And yeah, you can like take this apart, oil it back up. And yeah. And as you can see, just studs right back on there. Now, earlier today, I ended up making the accident of, well, putting this piece on backwards. And the spring was like lopsided. It was like, what on earth? So I had to take it apart. And one of my grandfather's friends were just like watching this and knew what I did wrong and didn't even say anything. I was confused the entire time. And by the way, well, Merry Christmas. Well, it's Christmas for when I'm recording this video. It's by the time I upload this video, it's probably not going to be Christmas. So yeah. And one thing I noticed that this piece moves a little. This piece right here, which I think that's kind of handy because, well, it allows me to. Well, that's just. Never mind. Never mind. Just trick of eye. All right. Now the spring I find difficult to put back in. Now I have no ammo for this gun yet, but wada bing, rada boom. That's actually the fastest I've done it yet. It's funny, just a few days and I've already mastered it. Well, not quite mastered it. So I like to put this piece in. I like to put this piece in first, and then the black piece needs to be in the back. There you go. Now, there we go. Ooh. There we go. there we go. And yeah, that's basically how to disassemble the chambering mechanism and all. There's a little, you know, and then no, I don't dry fire your gun a whole lot. I kind of do that just in case. And this is the size of an actual AR. Red dot. I prefer the green dot because it's easier to see for me. Doesn't matter what background it is on. Hold on, let me see if you can see the green dot. Right there. Yeah. So, yeah. So that's it. So, see you guys in the next video. And I might make a video on me going to the turkey shoot later. Like tomorrow. So, yeah. See you guys in the next video.